A force plot is the most common way that the search combines the results of multiple evaluation of an exposure on a disease across studies. The goal of the force plot is to visually represent the result of multiple studies to look for patterns. We have included two types of forest plot. One is the prevalent forest plot for outcomes that estimate health states, and one is the incident forest plot for outcomes that provide direct estimates of incidence. Many authors report multiple associations with one paper, as you can see here for Mirabelli paper or Schultz paper. In the x-axis of the forest plot is shown the effect measure used by the authors to associate exposure to the disease. When authors report the odds ratio, they report the odds ratio of disease in the exposure group divided by the odds of disease in the unexposed group. Regardless of the type of forest plot prevalence of incident, you can see 5 filters to help you to refine your search. The forest plot displayed at the beginning correspond to all results obtained from the studies, but you can see, for example, they select all the studies and select only the result of Havel's study. Click Select All to display all the results. If we look at a single law, we'll see an estimate of the odds ratio. If you hover over them, you will obtain the actual number. However, each of these metrics are measured with some uncertainty, so we have included confidence interval, as you can see in the example. If you click a dot, you can see there is a bias. Similarly, you can see that there is a colored system indicating the level of bias. In the below summary table, you will see the equation evaluated along with the explanation. The risk of bias assessment was conducted only in incident health events. When you go to any problem forest plot, you will see the filters. By clicking any dot, you will not see a pop-up window with the risk of bias assessment.